Okay, steps in naming alkanes and alkene. There are 3 steps. The first step is you must find the longest carbon chain. The second step is the branch chain. So branch chain ni kalau you ingat kat belakang kita dah belajar dah. Branch chains kita ada methyl, okay, CH3. Kita ada ethyl, apa benda ni? Sorry. Ethyl pula. Ethyl, CH2, CH3. Ini jarang kita jumpa lah, tapi ada lah kita belajar. And step 3 is you must find the homologous series, whether it is an alkane or alkene. Okay, jom kita try satu contoh. Okay, so this is the question. It says that you must draw the structural formula for 2,3-dimethyl pentane. Okay, dimethyl pentane. Okay, jap, kita tukar colour sikit. Okay, now, first step, find the longest carbon chain. Kat sini ada longest dia, nama dia pent. So, here means ada 5 carbon. Okay, 5 carbon. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right, the second one is find the branch. So, we have methyl branch here. Okay. Number 2. So, this number 2. Tapi methyl branch dia ada dimethyl, meaning ada 2 branch. Add carbon number 2 and carbon number 3. Now, let us number our carbon first. So, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, where is carbon number 2 and 3? Okay, here. Here is our carbon number 2 and carbon number 3. So, kalau awak tulis sebelah-sebelah our methyl, nampak macam crowded kan? Tak lawan. Okay, so you boleh pindahkan dia. You nak buka kat bawah pun boleh, as long as it is on carbon number 2 and 3. Atas, bawah tak ada masalah. Tepi tak boleh. Tepi sebab kita nak longest carbon chain tu. So, you write another one. Our methyl. Okay, so branch dah siap, number 2 dah siap. And number 3, okay, number 3 kita nak tahu dia punya homologous series. Okay, homologous series kita adalah N for alkane. So, ada double bond ke? Tak ada. So, alkane has no double bond because it is saturated hydrocarbon. So, ni betul lah chain yang dia buat ni. Okay, so last kali you must fill up all the blank tempat kosong pada carbon tu lah. So, every carbon must have 4 bond. So, the first carbon here, 1, 2, 3, 4 cukup. Okay, tambah hydrogen. Okay, second carbon ada 1, 2, 3 je. So, kena tambah lagi 1 hydrogen here. Carbon number 3, you have already 4 bond. No, baru ada 3 bond. So, you must add 1 more hydrogen. Carbon number 4, another 2 hydrogen. And carbon number 5, another 3 hydrogen. So, this is our structural formula for 2,3-dimethyl pentane. Okay, name the following structural formula using IUPAC system. So, ni sistem yang dipakai di seluruh dunia oleh saintis-saintis, ahli-ahli kemis, semua orang kena tahu. Ni lah cara menulis nama untuk the structural formula. Right, the first step, ingat lagi tak kat atas? The first step, you must find the longest carbon chain. Longest carbon chain. So, kat sini ada 5 chain. 5 chain ke? Okay, 5. Okay, so this is our longest carbon chain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 carbon. Okay, the second step is to find the branches. Ada branch tak kat sini? Ada, kita ada methyl branch kat sini, CH3. Okay, so this CH3 is on which carbon? Carbon number, okay, kita tengok kita numberkan carbon kat sini. Kita numberkan carbon. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Or 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we must choose the smallest number of carbon. Tak boleh carbon, tak boleh awak kata dia duduk kat carbon nombor 4. Tak boleh. Okay, mesti dekat lowest number of carbon. So, you choose 2. Okay, so we write down the name first. So, the longest carbon chain is 5. So, it is pent. Okay, kita ada branch, methyl branch on carbon number 2. Okay, so you kena tulis kat mana dia duduk? Dekat carbon number 2. Okay, so nombor dengan nama, awak kena tulis dash. Ada nombor, nak jumpa methyl. So, awak kena tulis dash. 2 dash methyl pen. Okay, kita tengok pula apa benda lah ni. Okay, kita tengok pula last step. The third step is whether it is alkane or alkene. Ada double bond tak? Tak ada double bond. Only single bond. So, this is alkane. So, end with pentane. So, this is the name. 2-methyl pentane. Okay, kalau you contoh yang tadi kat atas ni, kenapa nama dia ada comma, ada dash? So, number dengan number 2 and 3, you comma. So, when the number, nak jumpa nama dia, the name, you must push pula. Put dash. Okay, understand? So, this is how you name your alkanes and alkene. Okay, jom cuba this structural formula pula. Okay, what is its name? First, you find the longest carbon chain. Okay, mana longest carbon chain dia? Yang ni boleh? Tak boleh kan? Sebab baru 3. Okay, so salah. So, you must find the longest carbon chain. So, this one. Right, this one is the longest carbon chain. Okay, cuba kita give number to our carbon atom. This one is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, okay, so this is 5 carbon. Kita number pula, kod lain pula. Kod sini pula. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Alright, so now we look, kita tengok ada double bond. Alright, so ada double bond. Kena name the carbon, the double bond juga. So, this is alkene, kan? So double bond pula. Okay, kalau ada double bond dengan branch, double bond mesti lowest number of carbon. Double bond mesti lowest number of carbon. So, carbon berapa? So, carbon number 2 ke 3? So, ambil carbon number 2. Lowest carbon number. So, our branch will be at carbon number 4. Double bond carbon number 2. Alright, so now the name. Okay, how we write down the name? First, the carbon longest chain. Pen. Okay, ada branch dekat carbon number 4. So, 4. So, branch dia apa? Methyl. 4 methyl. Pent. Okay, kita ada double bond. Double bond at carbon number 2. So, pent 2 in. Kena bagi nama dekat numbering dekat double bond kita, so that kita tahu the double bond is at carbon number 2.